Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert comments onto your Google Docs spreadsheets. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab at the top and then go down and select Comment. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control, Alt, and M keys on your keyboard to also do that shortcut. And then you can add somebody. So if you want to reference somebody on your comment, you can. And then just select comment to save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.